Hello, friends. Thanks for joining us again on Talking Easy channel. I'm Ella, and today's topic is one that touches everyone's heart, the seasons.
Hi, Ella. This is such a great topic. For me, nothing beats autumn. There's something peaceful about watching leaves change color and feeling that crisp air.
I can picture it, Alex. I'm more of a spring person myself. I love seeing everything come back to life. The flowers, the birds, the sunshine. It feels like nature is waking up.
That's a lovely way to put it. I think each season is like a chapter in a book. Different moods, different lessons.
Absolutely. And that's what we're exploring today, how to talk about seasons in English. So listeners, ask yourself, which time of year makes your heart happy?
And before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button. You'll join our little community where we learn English through real conversations and real moments.
Let's start with the basics. If someone asks, which season do you prefer? You could say, I prefer spring, or summer is my favorite because it's warm and bright.
Right, and always try to explain why. It makes your answer richer. Like, I enjoy winter because everything looks so clean and fresh when it snows.
Exactly, Alex. You can also talk about emotions. Autumn makes me feel relaxed and thoughtful.
Nice, Ella. How about a little game? I'll describe a season, and you guess which one.
Sounds fun. I'm ready.
Okay, everything is blooming, birds are singing, people start spending more time outside, and the days get longer.
That's definitely spring.
Correct. Spring is amazing because it reminds us that new beginnings are always possible. The whole world seems brighter after winter.
So true. And speaking of brightness, spring is a perfect time to refresh your English learning too. Just like nature, your skills can bloom with the right care.
I love that connection.
Now, let's share some helpful expressions. When it's a bit cold, you can say, it's quite chilly outside.
And when it's extremely cold, try, it's absolutely freezing. Or you might say, the snow is so beautiful. It feels like a winter wonderland.
Perfect. For hot weather, you could say, it's incredibly hot today. Or, I enjoy sunny weather. Swimming is my favorite summer activity.
Those are great. Summer makes me think of beach trips, ice cream, and long evenings outside with friends.
Now you're making me dream of holidays.
Sorry about that. But here's the thing. Seasons bring back memories. That's what makes them such good conversation starters in English.
Completely agree. Talking about weather or seasons is perfect when meeting someone new. Try asking, which season do you enjoy most? Or, what's the weather like in your city?
Simple questions like these help build friendships. And listeners, remember, your English doesn't need to be flawless. Communication is what counts.
Mistakes are part of learning. Don't let them stop you from speaking.
Let's do some practice now. Say this with me. I love winter because the snow is beautiful.
Now try, summer is my favorite season because the weather is perfect.
Excellent. Don't just think it. Say it out loud. That's how you build confidence.
Let's explore how seasons affect our emotions. Alex, what happens inside you when autumn arrives?
Autumn makes me feel reflective and creative. I like sitting with a warm drink, writing in my journal, and thinking about the year.
Beautiful. There's something special about that season. You might say, autumn inspires me, or autumn brings a sense of peace.
Brings a sense of peace. That's such a useful phrase. You can use it in many situations, like listening to music brings a sense of peace.
Wonderful example, Alex. Learning and growing are just like seasons. Sometimes we have difficult days, like cold, dark winter days, but they always pass.
Exactly. If English feels challenging today, just know easier times are coming.
That's encouraging.
Maybe the sunshine is making me optimistic.
Everyone, take a moment to think about your favorite season. What images, sounds, or feelings come to mind?
In summer, I think of ocean sounds and children playing. Autumn brings images of colorful trees. Winter means cozy fires and warm blankets. Spring feels like fresh air and possibility.
What a vivid picture you've painted.
And it's personal, which makes it easy to remember when you're speaking English.
So, everyone listening, if you were a season, which one would you be?
Are you energetic like summer, peaceful like autumn, reflective like winter, or optimistic like spring?
I love how you think, Alex. Learning a language is more than memorizing. It's about expressing who you are. That's the heart of what we do here at Talking Easy Channel.
Now, let's look at some common idioms related to weather and seasons. These will make your English sound more fluent.
First one, a breath of fresh air. This describes something pleasantly new or different. Example, meeting you was a breath of fresh air.
Love it. Next, snowed under. This means overwhelmed with work or tasks. Example, sorry I'm late, I've been snowed under at the office.
Here's another, under the weather. It means feeling slightly ill. Like, I'm feeling under the weather, so I'll rest today.
And one more, come rain or shine. This means you'll do something regardless of circumstances. Example, I practice speaking English every morning, come rain or shine.
That's one of my go-to phrases. Let's say them together now. Ready? A breath of fresh air, snowed under the weather, come rain or shine.
Well done. This is how you learn naturally, through context and repetition.
Before we finish, let's get a little deeper. Alex, what lesson does each season offer us?
I think they teach us that everything changes. Nothing lasts forever. Not the cold, not the heat. But each moment has its own beauty worth appreciating.
That's profound. So, friends, even when your English learning feels slow or difficult, like a long winter, trust that growth is happening beneath the surface.
Always. Stay patient, stay consistent, keep believing in yourself. Every word you speak is progress.
And remember, just by listening to us right now, you're improving, even if you can't measure it yet. You're doing amazing.
Absolutely. This journey isn't just about English. It's about discovering strength, discipline, and belief in yourself.
Here's a little challenge for you. Leave a comment telling us, which season do you love most and why?
Yes, please. We read every comment, and we might feature yours in an upcoming episode. And if today's lesson helped you, please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more relaxed, meaningful English lessons.
Alex, this conversation feels like a warm cup of tea on a rainy day.
I feel the same, Ella. That's what makes our approach special. Learning English doesn't have to feel stressful or rushed.
Right. Real learning happens slowly, naturally, like seasons changing. You don't force flowers to bloom. You give them time.
What a beautiful way to end today's episode.
Yes. Just like every season has value, every learner has their own unique journey and timing.
So keep walking your path, keep improving, keep speaking, and remember, progress matters more than perfection.
Thank you so much for being here with us today on Talking Easy Channel. We believe in you.
Step outside, notice the season around you, and practice describing it in English.
Until we meet again, stay hopeful, stay gentle with yourself, and keep learning.
Goodbye, friends. Talk to you soon.